If you're visiting Reykjavik on a budget, CityHub might be your best option. I spent 3 nights in their Capsule hotel room. Here's exactly what £350 gets you in one of the most expensive cities in the world. When you first enter the room, this is what the layout looks like. You have 2 beds here. I'm only staying by myself. Unfortunately, if you book a private room, you can only book for 2 people, so you can't avoid that. On the top, you do get a shelf. You get a wardrobe working area. There's no chairs here. There's also an area here where they do give you trash bags and they give you towels as well. And I have some personal items here. There are hangers, but the funny thing with the hangers is you can't actually remove them. There's no way to remove them. Or is there? But anyways, I'm leaving tonight, so it's not a problem. And there's some tree for decorations. Up here, there's an Instagram thing as well. Oh, and this is the cool thing. You can actually change the room. Or I think the lighting does change based on the time, something like that. And hello. Yeah, there is a mirror here as well. Do not lose this one. If you lose this one, or if you forget it in your room, they will charge you 1 Icelandic krona or whatever to enter. You cannot avoid that charge. Careful when you go up and down because these are steep. There's a huge difference between here and here, but let's go. And I've never fallen, luckily. Before we go up, actually, I did forget to mention they do have electrical plugs, and for their plugs, they use the European style, not the British one. So I think this is called the Type A, but it looks like this. You can buy adapters and stuff like that. This is the only place where they have an electrical adapter, I think. I haven't seen anywhere else. I don't know what this does. Okay. Okay, so if we go up, how is the bed? Well, let's find out now. Okay, so the good news is if you're tall or not tall, it's not so claustrophobic. In fact, the room has a nice ambulance to it. Yeah, I basically cannibalized this bed here because I'm a 2-pillow kind of person. And the window as well, you can actually do this. You can also change that thing based on your vibe, and there's some electrical ceilings, but yeah, this is how it looks like. I am not a big fan of having these small pods. Oh, and the cool thing is as well, here, you have a USB-C control. You have a USB control. These speakers, I don't know. Maybe they're for emergency announcements or something like that. And you can also turn off and turn it on here from the controls. So yeah, that's basically the room in a nutshell. Now, when I used to work, or when I am working on my laptop here, because that's the only thing that can keep you sane in this box, it is a good price for value, you could say. I basically just work like this on my laptop. It's not so bad. It's also not scary. I wanted to choose a small bunk initially, but it's fine. But yeah, these hangers, they don't really make any sense. So now you guys are probably thinking your phones and stuff like that. Yeah, so with these guys, they really value the data. And as someone who works on data and marketing, they've thought of everything. So for example, to please the algorithm gods, let's just put it here. These can't actually be scratched or anything like that. I think that's the way they've built it. And if you lose your phone, if you do lose your phone, it won't actually fall. I think they've even thought about this part as well. This is what the lobby. So this room does cost. I paid for 390 euros, which is around 350 British pounds, which is 99 pounds a day, I would say. So it's good value for money for where it is in comparison to a lot of other places that wanted even more money. Let's have a look at the bathroom. Yeah, I'm haunted by that guy. The red is the woman and the green is the men's. Although they don't put the sign, yeah, you do get a trash bag there, toilets and all that stuff. And they do have shower rooms. They provide they provide towels for you in each room. And let's have a look at toilet. This is a shower room. Looks like they even give you gel and all that stuff. That's a toilet. They're all fairly clean and well maintained as well. You do get toilet paper there. And this is what the lobby looks like. Well, like a floor level, there are pods inside, and you get a nice view of Reykjavik city center as well outside. It never goes dark in the summertime.